So you're probably here because you're interested in learning how to use Facebook Messenger to generate leads or semi-automate your customer support. According to Facebook, on average, there are over 7 billion conversations taking place on Messenger every single day. Now, Messenger is growing bigger than Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and combined every single day. So there's a lot of opportunity for your business. Now, many businesses are building Facebook Messenger chatbots specifically for leads and customer support. But the big roadblock that a lot of people are facing is trying to figure out how to do this correctly. It takes a big technical learning curve to create them, unless you're a technical savvy person. So in other words, if you want to be able to create chatbots without learning how to code, look no further because we're going to be talking about that in this specific video course. So this is a 9-part step-by-step video course. We're going to talk about how to build a chatbot. And the big benefit is that Messenger can become one of your most important marketing channels, and you'll learn how in this step-by-step video course. So video number 1 is the introduction, and we'll talk about that in getting started and getting in the right mindset. And video number 2, we'll talk about the different uses of chatbots so that you have a good idea on different avenues that you can take. Video number 3, we'll talk about major chatbot mistakes. Video number 4, we'll talk about the bot breakdown. We'll break things down. Video number 5, we'll talk about how to increase conversions with your chatbot. And video number 6, we'll talk about brainstorming. Video number 7, we'll talk about organizing your ideas. Video number 8, we'll talk about creating the mockups. And of course, last but not least, video number 9, we'll talk about implementation. So after we have walked through everything, we'll show you how to actually set it up step by step. So go ahead and grab this video course and learn how to use Facebook Messenger to engage with your prospects and customers.